Hi guys, today we're going to talk about frequency diagrams for grouped discrete data. But first of all, I want to explain you something, just basic ideas about the frequency table, then frequency diagrams. So another name of the bar chart is frequency diagrams, okay? So you have an information about the bar chart. So how can we show our information on the bar chart? So they are the same thing with the frequency diagrams. So which is a group for chart with frequencies shown on the axis. So for example, the vertical axis always show us the frequencies, and another one, the vertical axis, show us the discrete data information. So we can use a frequency diagram for grouped discrete data, guys, I recommend it for you copy down all of them on your copybook, okay, because they are so important information about the frequency diagram and the frequency table. So first of all, guys, the example is like that. There are 20 students took a math test, and their marks are given. Look at here, there are 20 students marks 35, 37, 38, 40, and the number not written in order, so we should write in order, so till to the 56. So question is like that. In question A, we should draw a frequency table, then lowest mark, highest mark, range, model or mode, median and mean. We should find it. So first of all, guys, I want to make a frequency table. So how can we make a frequency table? So variant A, guys, we should draw a table which consists of two rows like that. Look at here, why two rows? Because we have the one of them is mark and another one is number of students. That's why it's two rows. So look at here, I wrote all of them, all the steps here, because it's this. In this example, we have an information about number of students and their marks. That's why it consists of two rows. And write all marks in order from smallest to the biggest. Guys, look at here. They just give the marks like that, 35, then 46, then 50, 39, like that. It's just mix it. But we should write in order. That's why, firstly, for the mark, write all the marks, 35, 37, 38, 39, then 48, blah, 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 till to 56. Then from here, you should count how many 35 are there. 1 and 2. So this means number of students is 2. And number of students, guys, the same thing with the frequency, okay? So frequency is 2 for the 35 because 2 students got 35. Then 37 also 2, 38 also 2, because I found all of them from this table. We have 2 38, that's what I just write there, 2 in front of 38. Then I have 1 39, so this means one student got 39 point, one student got 40, 2 students got 42, then blah blah 50. 3 students got 50 and 52 and 56 is only one student got 52 and one student got 56. So we just draw a table like that, okay? So that's it. This one is a frequency table, guys, and instead of this number of students, you can write here it is the same thing with the frequency table, okay? So because they are the frequencies for this mark, okay? So variant B, the lowest mark is what? Guys, you can see all of them from this table easily, because table help us to see all the information, how can I say, easily, like briefly. Look at here, you can ask me, teacher, we can see for example, we can count 37 here, and we can see the median or mean or mode from these numbers, so we don't need to draw a table. But guys, table help us to see everything in one place and easily. Because, for example, here we can detect easily which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. So that's why the lowest mark is 35, but here you should find, because they are mixed, so which one is the smallest. Okay, then for example, here some student do the mistake here. For example, the smallest one is 35 because they just start with the 35, and the biggest is 50, but biggest one is the 56, but it's hard to see that. But on the table we can see easily the highest mark is 56 and the lowest mark is 35. And the range, guys, you know that range means highest minus lowest mark subtract from the highest mark. That's why just write there highest minus lowest, which one is 56 minus 35, and we got 21. So 21 is our range for this table. Then mode or model, guys, model and mode are the same thing. Okay, so we can call mode, or we can call model. So mode is the most repeated number, which one is occurs a lot of times. So it is 50 because look at here, number of students, which one is the highest? 3, because the frequency is the highest. So if it's 3, this means 50. 3 students got 50, and that one is the highest one and is most repeated one. That's why 50 is mode, our mode is. Then the median, guys, for the median, as you know, if we have odd number of terms, we should choose the middle one, but if we have even number of terms, we should choose 2 numbers from the middle, and then we should add them, divide by 2. But here again we have 20 students. 20 students means look at here, there are 20 marks. 20 mark means there are 20 students, and 20 students it's just a condition which is given in our example. So 20 students means this is even. So if even, we should choose 2 numbers from the middle. So you can ask me, how can we detect for example 44 and 45 is the middle one? Because guys, look at here, 2, then 2, 2, 1, 1, and then that here till to here it is 8, and again add from the left side, right side, 2, 3, 5, 6, then plus 2, 8, that's it. Yes, then if you add 2 plus 2 is 4, which one is, if we add with that side, these 2 sides, is gonna be 20. That's why for 44 and 45 they are consecutive and they are situated in the middle. That's why we should write 44 plus 45 divided by 2, which one is 89 divided by 2, and the result gonna be 44.5. Okay, so and for the mean, I didn't write the mean because I want to write with you guys. For the mean, again we need to see the table. Okay, and mean is always equal to if you have a frequencies, which one is number of students, and a mark, so you should multiply the frequencies to your data value, which one is here, it's mark, data value is mark, and divided by the sum of the frequencies. And you should multiply number of students to their mark. For example, 35 multiplied by 2, like that, then plus 37 multiplied by 2, plus 38 multiplied by 2, 39 multiplied by 1, then 40 multiplied by 1, plus 44 multiplied by 2, again 45 multiplied by 2. Oh, there's no space, that's why I just continue here. 47 multiplied by 1 and 50 multiplied by 3. Then guys, last 2 marks, which one is 52 multiplied by 1 and 56 multiplied by 1. Okay, divided by what? The sum of all number of students, which one is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, again 2, 2, 1, 3, and 1. Again we have one more. So that's it. We should calculate that one, then the answer gonna be mean. Okay, so which one is, I didn't write that one. Which one is 70 plus which 74, then 676, 39, 40, 88. Guys, my calculation is bad, that's why check all this calculation. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So plus 90 plus 47 plus 150, then plus 52 plus 56, then sum of these 2, and you know that actually you don't need to calculate, because you know that you have 20 number of students. That's why you should write there 20. Okay, so then it's equal 20 on the denominator, and then add up them. 70 plus 74, 144, plus 76, which one is 0, 1 to 120, plus 39, which one's 159, 199 plus 88, gonna be 7, then 8 and 1 plus 2, 287. 287 plus 90, gonna be 377, plus 47, gonna be 4. Okay, 2 and 424 plus 150, which one is 4 again, 7, and 574 plus 52, which one is 6, 2, and 626 plus I did wrong here, did you see? So it's 56, gonna be 2, then 7, 8, and 682. Okay, so then you can divide by 20, or you can write like that. Both of them can divide by 2, which one is 341 divided by 10, so it's gonna be 34.1. okay, so 34.1 is our it's our mean. Okay, that's it. So for any question, guys, you can write to my Gmail, or you can ask me in our next lesson. Okay, so I will assign your homework. Bye bye.